In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your Instagram password. If you forgot it, be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, open up Instagram app. And if you are already logged into some Instagram account, first off we need to log out. So just go to your profile top right here. Top at Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the very bottom and top at Logout. After that, once we are taken to the login page, we need to top at our Instagram account in that list. Just like that, and then top at Forgot Password. Or if you can't find your account in that list, top at Log into another account. And then top at Forgot Password. After that, enter your Instagram username or email. I'm gonna enter my username. Once you've done that, top at Find Account. On the next step, it will ask you which way you would like to use to reset your Instagram password. I can use my email or I can use my phone number to get that verification card or login link. I'm gonna choose email and tap at Continue. It says we send an email to the email address associated with my Instagram account. So now we can close Instagram app. And then I'm gonna open up Gmail application. Right here I can easily find the email that has been sent from Instagram. If you can't find it, it is located at Updates in my case, or it may be located at Social as well. So I'm just gonna go to the Updates, open up Instagram email. And right here, we just need to tap and reset your password. After that, we'll be taken to the Instagram application, where we can create new password for that account. So, just the top at that field, and then just create a new password with at least 6 letters and numbers. Once you've done that, you can just stop at Continue. However, if you think that your account was hacked, you can select an option, which is called Log Out of Other Devices. You need to choose if someone else use your account. We can also check Market and then tap at Continue. After a couple of seconds, you will be taken to your Instagram account. As you can see, I have just successfully signed, and also we have successfully changed our password and also logged out other users from that particular account. Now, you know how you can easily reset your Instagram password.